What's up everybody, Tim Vix here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I've got my hands on something that I've been wanting to check out for quite a long time now, and that is the Grand Pit Stop GRoller. What is it and why do you need one? Let's talk about it. Performance bike out in the market now need to be maintained, and one major component is the chain. These chains need to be lubed on regular intervals. For example, KTM says that you need to lube your chain for every 300 kilometers, right? Now this thing, the lubing of your chain, would have been very easy if your bike had a main stand, but these bikes do not have a main stand. They don't really need one. However, if you had a main stand, then it would have been very easy to work on your bike. Now the replacement for main stand in these bikes is the Paddock stand. So what Paddock stand basically does is that it lifts the rear of your bike, so your rear wheel is freely suspended and you can comfortably work on your bike. Your bike is basically in an upright position. But Paddock stands are heavy, big, and they occupy a lot of space. So let's say that you can't buy a Paddock stand. You want to maintain your chain by your own without actually moving the bike around, and also like you want to clean your rims and all in a easy way. That's where the GRoller actually steps in. So GRoller is basically like a tray with a couple of bearings on the top. So the rear wheel of the bike sits on top of the tray, and which allows it to move the wheel freely without actually moving the bike around. So your vehicle is still on your side stand, but the rear wheel can turn around freely. So this basically allows you to move the wheel and you can clean the chain in a much easier and efficient way. This is also very useful if you have a very tight garage where you cannot move around the bike and you want to work on it. So basically that's what the GRoller does. I'm gonna quickly open the box right now and demonstrate you guys how this thing works. Can't wait to check it out. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for making me a part of your day. If you have any queries regarding this GRoller, let me know down in the comment section below and I'll try to answer them all. Also, I'll put the link of this product in the description box. Make sure you check it out. Hit the subscribe button. We are very close to 1,000 subscribers. We can make it. Subscribe to Tim Vix, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye.